couple of jobs I'm going to do on this while the engine's off. So I've taken the water pump off because it's just impossible to get to when it's on. So I'm going to replace the water pump. I'm also going to get a better alternator than that. I'm going to take the one that's off the car. It's there. This one's had it. Yeah, it's completely knackered. The water pump is 4 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've taken it off there where it goes in there because that was just easy in trying to break it from its pipe on the thing. But I will have to pop these off and put them on the new pump. But I'm going to do that now. I'm going to put the new pump on while it's sitting there because that's about the easiest time to do it. Okay, I'm going to put this new water pump on. Yeah, looks good. And I'm just going to put these hoses on now. And then the other one is on the car itself. Just going to put a tiny bit of blue sealant around there just because I've had that off. I've probably broken whatever rubber seal there was. I don't want to go too much mad on it. Four here and 2 10mm ones up there. I'm just going to get them finger tight now till I work out what the tightening torque is for them. Alright, so these bolts here go up to 10 to 12 Newton meters torque. This one. 12 there. Okay, so they're 30 Newton meters of torque, and they're about 10 to 12 Newton meters of torque there. All looks rock solid. Pipes are all on for now.